Breaking news coming on the broadcast, Farooq Abdullah could be accompanied by M.Y. Tiragami, who is also the spokesman of the PAGD. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Zeenat to give us more details on this. Zeenat, what we're learning right now is that Farooq Abdullah could accompany M.Y. Tiragami, who is also the spokesman of the PAGD. What more can you tell us?
See, these are just the initial source-based information that we are getting, that there is a discussion still going on between the National Conference and the PDP, because Mehbooba is quite reluctant to attend the meeting, keeping a lot of things in her mind, and she has also proposed Farooq Abdullah take the lead as far as the all-party meet is concerned on 24th of June, and there are reports that suggest that the M.Y. Tiragami, who is also the spokesman and also the CPIM leader from Kulgam of South Kashmir, could be accompanying Dr. Farooq Abdullah in Delhi. But as of now, nothing has been final, because PAGD is also holding a meeting after 2 days where the final names will be released, that whether Farooq Abdullah will go alone or he'll be accompanied by 1 or 2 people. Because what we are picking from the sources is that Mehbooba is saying that Prime Minister should actually restore the statehood as a confidence-building measure for the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and then it is a collective fight, because that is why the PAGD was formed, and the group is committed for the restoration of Article 370 and 35A. That is why all the leaders came together under the umbrella called PAGD. But as of now, nothing has been final. These are the source-based information that we are gathering, that Farooq Abdullah could be accompanied by Mohammad Yusuf Tarigami, who is also the spokesman of PAGD.
Right, as the parties, the National Conference Party and the PDP, mull over centre's invite and take a concrete decision, we're also learning that a crucial decision will be taken at the Gupkar Alliance meet that I believe is on the 22nd of June.
Oh, yes, absolutely. After 2 days, there will be a People Alliance for Gupkar Declaration meeting. They are meeting for their second time, rather, in the month, where it will be decided about the invitation that has come from the Prime Minister for all-party meeting for the political leaders of Jammu and Kashmir. There are many leaders who wanted to go to Delhi, but now Mehbooba is showing their reluctancy, because this time the leaders, particularly the Mehbooba camp, they want to show that strength of the PAGD. That is why the party is now not taking individual decisions as far as the invitation from the Delhi is concerned. Mehbooba wants that they should have the collective view as far as meeting or attending the meet of Prime Minister in Delhi. That is why the PAGD meeting has been called after 2 days, where it will be discussed. Although the meetings, as far as the internal meetings, are still on between PDP as well as the National Conference, because at National Conference, Farooq Abdullah's residence, there are some major main leaders of the National Conference, from Mia Altaf to Chaudhry Ramzan to Mohammad Shafi Udi, Nasir Sogami, all are still at the Dr. Farooq Abdullah's residence. Many leaders who have not attended today's meeting, they are meeting the Dr. Farooq Abdullah in the evening, and tomorrow also there will be the series of meetings between the PDP as well as the National Conference. But after 2 days, they are meeting under the umbrella called PAGD, where the final decision will be taken. These are the internal source-based news that is coming in, that as of now they are deciding to send Farooq Abdullah, or he could be accompanied by CPIM leader Mohammad Yusuf Tarigami.
It's all about the way forward, and all eyes will be on that very crucial meeting come June 24th, convened by Prime Minister Modi. Thank you, Zeenat, for joining us. And on to